Okay, so we are standing here on our balcony,
Right.
overlooking the beautiful Cozumel and the amazing water around.
Yeah,
and that
it's
is
like-
our view.
That's crazy on what that water, how blue it is, and we are about to go sea trekking in it, so excited to get out there and explore Cozumel.
Okay, let's go do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, we are in Cozumel.
Welcome to Cozumel, and I just wanted to show you, our room is right there. So you see that lifeboat on the first deck right over there? That is actually our room on the ship right there.
Nope, in the front. Right. Oh, wait, I gotta go this way. Right there
That
is
is our
our
room.
cabin.
Yep, so you can see where we are, and let's go check out Cozumel and go sea trekking.
All right.
And also Henry is gonna take the video. This is the camera, don't be shy, and smile. You wanna go first? Sounds good. Taking the ladder 5 steps down. Please keep going 5 steps.
Yeah, I've never had a problem with it yet, but I've not taken on. Oh no, I took it. I've probably taken it 30 feet, which is what, 10 meters? It didn't work.
Yeah, 33 feet is
10 meters.
10
Yeah,
meters.
it's supposed to be 10 or 20 meters.
Now.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Spicy, habanero, chipotle.
Oh, good.
¿Ocupan platos? ¿De plate?
Plates? Yes.
¿Sí?
Yeah. It's good. So here we are, Cozumel. That's where we just did the sea trek. Now our trek included 2 drinks. This is Soul beer, and we ordered some guacamole.
That looks like a killer guacamole.
And over there is the crew from the show last night from the ship, so it seems like a good local place to come. Beautiful. Beautiful setting in Mexico.
Those one we're talking about with 8 years age, the tequila.
Oh, much better.
Yeah?
Except for it's sweet, like a liqueur.
Yeah?
And that was more like,
Okay, I'll try that one now.
That's
Yeah,
more
that's-
age, is more coming like a little more sweet.
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Yes.
How much is this one?
This one costs you 155 the bottle,
155?
and this is 120.
See, I
130?
like that. That actually, I don't drink that.
That's more of a liqueur,
Yeah.
Yeah.
like a sweet.
And what's this one?
Those are extra añejo.
Extra añejo.
Those like top quality, and
And how much is that one?
this one is 195.
There's some high-end ones here.
Yeah. Yeah, prices.
Oh, holy different things.
Yes. Some like this one's coming 12 years age.
Ah,
Hmm. That one's real smooth, but it's almost... There's no bite at all.
well, it depends who you are.
You drink sweet?
Yeah, more sweet.
More sweet for her.
Not the. Now, what is that?
This is almond.
Almond. Okay. Oh wow, that smells pretty. Oh, that smells really good. He won't do that.
We have that one.
Oh, that's nice.
And
Oh, you like that?
we have the coffee one.
And coffee
Yeah,
flavor.
I like the almond. It reminds me a little
Flavor
bit.
liquor.
It reminds me a little bit of remember that black walnut whatever? I like it.
That'd be good on ice cream.
An ice
Can
cream?
you pour that over vanilla ice cream? That would
we
be
can
really
put in
good.
the ice cream, you can cook.
In your coffee?
You can cook
Oh,
with
in
those
your
too.
coffee? Oh, in your coffee?
That would be really good in your coffee or on an ice cream. That would be amazing. That would be really
And
good.
tea.
Okay, so now we are at the Salty Trivia. We get 3 chances to win.
And we're doing
Ahoy, sailors.
Let's play.
Let's try
Sometimes
that
we do
again.
well,
Sound
sometimes
collective
we're
effort.
horrible.
Ahoy, sailors.
Ahoy!
That's what I love to hear. Well, welcome to Salty Trivia. My name is JD Llewellyn.
And I'm Amanda LaClaire.
Okay, now are we ready for some trivia?
One play.
All right, well, I have to go over a few rules. The number one, and we'll see you. Okay, this first round is general knowledge. Okay, general knowledge. Question 1. What president of the Philippines was named Times Woman of the Year in 1986? What president of the Philippines was named Times Woman of the Year in 1986?
Not even a clue.
You know how I know this? Because she's a shoe woman. If I'm right.
Alright, we're waiting for the results of the trivia. I think we did really poorly. I get the beer question right. I think everybody got the 2 beer questions. Okay, so Lisa and I found a little secret.
Yeah, so we're at the Manor, which is off of the casino, and this is like their nightclub, and we're here to watch a little show. And we found this really great upstairs area.
It was crowded downstairs.
Yeah,
We
it's
couldn't
really
find a place to
crowded.
sit.
Right.
But
So
then we
here we are.
found these stairs that took us upstairs.
Right. And it's even got our own bartender right there. So the Manor, find the stairs upstairs. And there's also a little second room, which is really quiet too. So all right, check it out.
How are we this evening? Good? Are we feeling incredible? Are we feeling sexy? Are we feeling tipsy? Yes! I know you are, sir. Now I know you're thinking, where on earth did Richard Branson find such a talent? Well, a woman that commands any room she walks into with a flair for social lubrication. It's taken me many years to perfect my craft, and tonight I am going to share with you my step-by-step guide on what it takes to be the perfect hostess. Shall we dive right in? Yes. Do you spill the beans? Fire